Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among rolling hills, lived a young boy named Kavi. Kavi was known for his bright spirit and insatiable curiosity. Despite living a modest life, he found joy in every aspect of his existence. One sunny morning, Kavi woke up early and decided to embark on an adventure into the neighboring forest. With a skip in his step and a twinkle in his eye, he ventured into the lush greenery, eager to explore the mysteries that awaited him. As he wandered deeper into the woods, Kavi stumbled upon an elderly man named Arjun, who sat beneath a mighty oak tree, observing nature with a serene smile on his face. Kavi was intrigued by the peaceful aura that surrounded Arjun, and he approached him with a polite greeting. Arjun welcomed Kavi warmly and invited him to sit down. Curiosity sparkled in Kavi's eyes as he asked, "Sir, what brings you here every day? What wisdom have you gained from this place?" Arjun chuckled gently and replied, "My dear boy, this forest holds a treasure trove of life lessons. One such lesson is the importance of patience. You see, many trees here took years to grow to their magnificent stature. They faced harsh weather, storms, and droughts, but they persevered, rooted deep in the soil. Just like these trees, we too need patience to weather life's challenges and grow into our fullest potential." Kavi nodded thoughtfully, absorbing Arjun's words. He realized that patience was not merely waiting for something to happen, but rather embracing the process of growth and learning from each moment. Inspired by Arjun's wisdom, Kavi resolved to cultivate patience in his own life. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months as Kavi practiced the art of patience. He learned to savor every experience, whether it was the blooming of a flower, the rustling of leaves, or the conversations he had with the villagers. Instead of rushing through life, he chose to be fully present in each moment, relishing the beauty that unfolded before him. Over time, Kavi's newfound patience transformed his outlook on life. He noticed the subtle changes around him, the small triumphs, and the gradual growth in himself. He began to understand that the greatest achievements often sprouted from seeds planted with patience, nurtured with perseverance, and watered with unwavering belief. Years passed, and Kavi grew into a wise and compassionate man. People sought his guidance and admired his ability to find joy in the simplest of things. He shared Arjun's lessons of patience, encouraging others to embrace life's journey and trust in the timing of their dreams. Kavi's story spread far and wide, reaching the hearts of countless individuals. Inspired by his example, people began to appreciate the beauty in the process of growth, and they learned to be patient with themselves and others. And so, the story of Kavi and the lessons he learned beneath the oak tree echoed through generations, reminding everyone that life's greatest gifts are often found not in the destination, but in the patience and gratitude we cultivate along the way.